Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi bersama saya Atia Sawa dalam mata kuliah Writing 2. Pada minggu yang ketiga ini kita akan mempelajari materi dengan judul Writing and Advice. Selain itu, saya juga akan menyampaikan bahwa minggu yang ketiga ini Bapak Ibu akan mendapatkan tugas yang pertama. Mohon untuk dikerjakan tepat waktu, tidak lebih dari 2 minggu dari waktu yang sudah disediakan. Tugas yang pertama ini merupakan prasyarat untuk mendapatkan nilai akhir di ujian akhir. So, in writing and advice, we have some structures. We have 4 parts when we want to write a text about advice. The first one is reading. This is an obligation part in a letter because you should read your recipient of your letter. The second one, you should write down about the short paragraph that state your purpose of the letters. And then the next part is the reason why you want to write this letter. And then you can give the closing about your recommendation or an advice. Don't forget to give your signature. The next part is we are going to learn about simple present and present progressive, or sometimes we can call it as present continuous. When we want to write an actions or situations that tell about sequence or something that happens regularly, we can use simple present that use verb 1. And then the second one, when we want to tell about situations that currently happening or progress at the moment of speaking, we can use present continuous or present progressive. In this formula, we can use to be plus verb 8. Don't forget to differentiate between simple present and present progressive. And if you still do not understand about this kind of tenses, you can read more in additional resources, and you can just simply ask me in my email or in inbox. Thank you very much. Don't forget to answer the discussions and also the first task. We will meet again next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.